We will install and configure the smart gardener, the automatic garden watering system. We have installed the main unit and found the water tap, where we will replace the water tap with our solenoid valve that is supplied with the unit. So let's do it. This is the supplied solenoid valve. Input and output are marked. You need to check about the input and connect the input side on the tap. Main unit is installed here. The supplied adapter is connected with main unit. There is one switch. This connector is for connecting the valve, solenoid valve. We have installed the solenoid valve here. Let's switch it on. This is the home screen. On startup, it will showing the company name, company support email, firmware version, and manufacture date. This is the current date and time showing, and water valve off. That means the valve is currently not operating. So there is 4 button: exit, down, up, and enter. These are the buttons to control. Long press on the menu or enter, it will open the menu. This is the menu showing. First one is set clock date. You can press up and down to change. Just press down to change the next menu. There is manual mode. There is Wi-Fi update. There is one option is reset. So we will go one by one. So let's start with the clock setting. You need to press back to exit or set. Again we have pressing the long press to the enter button to entering on menu. To set the clock, again you have to press enter. This is the time is on for 24 hours clock. You need to press up or down to change the value. Press enter to go to the minute. The cursor is showing on minutes, and press again enter to go to the second. And again entering will turn on the date, followed by the month, and then followed by the year. After we again press enter to save it. Daytime save it. Next, for timer scheduling, you need to press down arrow to make the cursor down. Now cursor is on set time schedule. So we'll learn how to set a timer. There is 50 schedulable timer. So first timer is on TM01. We can press up and down to change the timer numbers that you want to schedule. So let's say we are configuring on number 1. Next is any day. Any day means every day it will on. You can change for specific. You can change also in specific day: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday also. And if you press keep it on any day, it will on every day. This is the start time. You can press up and down to change the start time. This is the hours. Again you can press enter to change the minutes. Entering the next to change the stop button. You just need to follow the cursor and press up and down to change, and rapid it will rapid change if you press long press on any keys. So right now its TM1 is set on any day, and it will start at 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. So valve will open on 2 a.m. and valve will stop on 10 p.m. Now this is the timer number 2. We are changing the timer version, and it will start on 13/01 and will stop on, let's say, 14/25. It will stop. Timer number 2. Timer number, let's say timer number 3. it will set on Monday only, and it will start on 22, that means 10 p.m. and stop on, let's say, on 23. Again, we are configuring timer number 7 for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's say Wednesday, and it will start on 10 a.m. to it will stop on 1 p.m. Let's say timer number 8. It will start on every day, that means any day, and start on 21, that means 9 p.m. Let's say 9:16, 9:17, 9:18, 9:22, 24, 25, and 9:25 it will start, and it will stop on 10 p.m. So we have set it many timers. You can set up to 50 timers. It's schedulable. Let's check one by one. Fifth number is not setted, so here is start and stop time is 00, so that's why this timer will not start ever. If you need to erase a timer, you need to set the start and stop to 0. To stop a timer, you need to set the timer 0. And timer number 3 is already set on for Monday. Timer number 2 is set for Sunday, 1 p.m. to 2, and timer number 1 is for every day. It will start on 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. For saving, you need to press back. Time schedule is saving. So again back, it will go to the main menu. And main menu, it will showing the water valve status and date time. Again long press to enter the main menu. It is manual mode. I have entered into manual mode. By default, it will show keep valve up. Manual mode is ready, kept for irrespective of any time. You can open the valve for a certain times. So you need to press up and down to change, and then enter to, and then press up and down to change the value of the schedule. We have set it on 2 hours. To saving, press exit. Water is valve is open and water is getting disposed, and there is 2 hours is left. Valve on manually, it is showing on display. Valve on manually. It will close on after 2 hours. Right now the valve is open and water is getting disposed, you can see. Manual mode actually used to turn the valve manually irrespective of any timers. Again, you can stop the manual mode by pressing long press to the entering the menu and go to the manual mode. Press up and down to keep the valve off. Manual mode. Valve is shut off. We will now learn how to reset the device. Long press to enter the menu. Navigate down to the reset. By default it is showing no, and you need to press up and down and press enter to reset the device. Resetting the device, we will reboot again. It will show the home screen. Let's set the timer for 1 minute. Right now it's 13:22, so we'll set the timer for 13:23 to 13:24. Long press to enter the menu. Set timer schedule. We'll set the timer on number 49. and it will be set for any day, and it will start for 1323. Long press to change the value rapidly. 23, 21, 22, 23 to 1320. Let's say 24 to 25. Actually 23 I hope already passed. 25, and let's start from 24. Let's save for saving exit. Saved. Back to menu. It's 23, so we'll check. It will valve. Right now valve is off. We'll wait till the 1324 to start the valve and check whether it is start on 24 and it will whether it is stopped on 1325. Let's check. Start the timer number. Next part is configure the Wi-Fi. Again you have to long press enter to enter the menu. Navigate down to Wi-Fi update. Press enter. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on your router or any Wi-Fi hotspot. This is saying connect to Wi-Fi smart container. Now open your handheld mobile or any other device. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Smart container. It is showing. Just tap to connect. Now there is option for configure Wi-Fi. It will show the available network. Here our network is that. Just enter the password. Password entered. Press save. It is saving credential. Wi-Fi connected is showing. Internet time is updated. It will reboot for the first time on configure. Your device is now connected with Wi-Fi, and it will receive the updates, firmware updates, and it will keep the device active. That means daytime clock will be synchronized with internet. Thank you for watching. Thanks.